Park, but in game. You want to see? Here I go. You want to see my Jurassic Park? Okay, guys. Guys, literally, I built Jurassic Park. This is the tiny eggs. This is the thing, you know. You want to see the long neck? Here's the long neck. And this is... How did it get out from his mouth? You want to see the Deinonychus Rex? Here's the Deinonychus Rex. What the fudgy boy said? Rest! Making my game crash.
Ano din sa bangkong sa
Tapos kung restaurant,
Wapa pa yun? Wapa yun.
Bruh! How did it ain't dying? Why is this ain't dying, bro? So, yes, it died. Bro, it died. It's just a long neck. And here's a Deinonychus Rex. This, you know what to know. The thing like Triceratops. And guys, I'm turning on the alarm. Wait, what is mean?
Saan pag binemitan? Dito? Asa po na? Bro na? Dito na siguro ito? Ito ba
What did the sign say? Dino escape last resort.
50 lang.
65?
Alarm.
Dino, ito ba ito? Ito ang business. Ang ganda ng araw ko. Ganda mo.
Kapal mo. Boring in. Ambi nga dino mo naman.
They are dark ones. They are dark ones. Sarap ito pag dark.
Actually, wrong
Wait
the
lang.
waist.
Yan.
Wait lang. Hindi man yung iba man sabi ng dito. Pag saan mo pag-forward?
I'm the Jurassic
Tignan mo kung
Park
makapalang ay
owner.
pag
See?
color black.
Wait,
Tignan mo guys.
See? Jurassic
Tignan mo ha.
owner.
Kung black. Ayan. Yan o. Ah.
And operator.
BR01 pala tam.
No,
Ito.
no, no, no.
One.
No, 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 no.
Please order. Please order. Please order.
February 11. Yan ba? Chitas? Wala mo sila ng chitas siguro? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Guys, this is literally the thing
Wala pa kumani?
I've ever heard.
Wala na kumani?
uh,
No, mag-study na no. So yung mga homework